How to use social media to enhance your brand reputation. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use social media to enhance your brand reputation. In today's digital world, social media is more important than ever for businesses of all sizes. Not only can it be used to connect with customers and promote your products or services, but it can also be used to enhance your brand reputation. Here are a few ways to use social media to enhance your brand reputation. Post high-quality content. The content you post on social media is a reflection of your brand, so it's important to make sure it's high quality and engaging. This means posting content that is relevant to your target audience, informative, and visually appealing. Be consistent. One of the best ways to build a strong brand reputation on social media is to be consistent with your posting. This means posting regularly and at the same times each day or week. Engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way street. It's not just about posting content, but also about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments and questions, participate in conversations, and run contests and giveaways. Be responsive to feedback. No matter how good your social media strategy is, there will always be people who have negative things to say about your brand. When this happens, it's important to be responsive to feedback and take steps to address any concerns. Use social media to build relationships. Social media is a great way to build relationships with customers, partners, and other stakeholders. Take the time to get to know your audience and interact with them on a personal level. Use social media to give back. One of the best ways to show your audience that you care about them is to use social media to give back. This could mean donating to charity, volunteering your time, or simply sharing positive messages. Using social media to enhance your brand reputation takes time and effort, but it's definitely worth it. By following the tips I've mentioned, you can start to see results quickly. Just keep posting great content, engaging with your audience, and using the tips I've mentioned, and you'll eventually see your brand reputation grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to put these tips into practice and use social media to enhance your brand reputation. Reach out to our team at Amplify Social Media and schedule a call. We would love to help.